Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve day 10 May Let Good challenge. The problem statement name is find the town judge. So the problem statement says that in a town there is n people. So a town consists of n people labeled 1 to n. There is a rumor that one of these people is secretly the town judge. So among that n people, there is one who is the town judge, and the criteria for town judge is the town judge is trust nobody, means nobody trusts town judge. Everybody apart from him, suppose 1 to n, suppose 1 is a town judge, then 1 to n is 10, so 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 all trust 1, but 1 doesn't trust anybody. Second point, everybody except the town judge trust the town judge. Same, this is exactly one person, there is exactly one person that does satisfy these two property, so there is only one town judge. So you are given a trust, an array pair trust I a comma b where represents a trust b. So means a trust b. Trust I will be array will be inputted in which this means a trust b. Okay. So basic concept is that suppose what the explanation is I have read it. If a person got trusted by other people, suppose B is trusted by A, then so surely he is not a trust person, because a trust judge, sorry, because a judge or head of a whole trust is trusted by everybody, but he doesn't trust anybody. So suppose A trust B, what is exactly here? A trust B means B is never going to be a judge. Similarly, what we have written, if a person got trusted by other people, increase the trust score by 1. Simple. We have to increase the trust, and if the person trust other people, if A trust B, then decrease the score by 1. Simple, because it trust other, and since the head, the judge, head or the judge must have the trust score of n of minus 1, because if there is n people, if there is, suppose this is, if there is 3 people, then one should be have judge, then there is no trust, he doesn't trust anybody, so rest of them means 1 2 3, among 1 to 3 2 3 must trust 1, so n minus 1 trust should be there for the 1, means the leader or judge has the n minus 1 trust, everybody will trust him, because he own he cannot trust anybody, then out of n he will be eliminated, and rest n minus 1 will trust him, obviously, so that he is judge, so the judge must have n minus 1 trust. So what we have to do, we have iterate to the whole trust loop, means this is trust, we will iterate in a loop, and A trust B, so we will increase the B and decrease the A. Simple. That's the same logic. We have to increase the B because he is getting by trusted, means 1 trust 3 means 3 is trusted, so increase the trust value, and A is trusting means definitely he is not going to be the judge, so he decrease the value. Simple concept, means if anybody is get trusted, then increase by 1, this got trusted, increase by 1, if anybody is trusting, then decrease by 1, and since judge has most score of n minus 1, because apart from him everybody should trust him, so after one iteration, after whole iteration of a trust array, we will increase and decrease the value, and those people who have maximum number of trust, which is equal to n minus 1, will have judge. If there is no n minus 1, then we have to return minus 1. Simple. So let's do while here. So here we are creating a trust score, a list, trust score, we are creating a list trust score. Okay, in this what we are going to do, we are going to iterate and update the value. Firstly we are initialize with 0, all 0 to n plus 1 element, because 0 is a dummy, we don't have 0 people. If n is passed as 3, then 3%, 1 2 and 3, 0 is dummy, so here 3 people has been passed, Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so N3 we have made this trust, a new trust. Okay, and from now iterating for a and b in trust. So a and b a variable which point this first a and this b. Okay, means a contain 1 and b contain 3. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to decrement the b because 1 trust 3, 1 trust 3. Okay, so sorry, we have to increment 3. So trust b at the index of trust score b at the index 3 0 1 2 3. At this index we have to increase the value. So 0 plus 0, it will increment to 1. 0 plus 1. Okay, and trust a is 1 0 1, we have to decrement the value. So 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, simply we are decrementing. Another time loop increment and points to this 2 and 3, this 2 and 3. So a is 2 and b is 3. Simple. So what we are doing, trust 2 increase 0 1 2 increase by 1, and trust a, sorry, trust 3, trust b is pointing to 3. So 0 1 2 3, so increment 1 plus 1 2. And trust a means a is pointing to 2, to trust 2 0 1 2, decrement the value. So 0 minus 1, so it will be minus 1. Okay, now the whole loop is iterated, then we have to equal to n minus 1, what we explained. So index, for index and in degree in trust score, so we have iterated this score and trust check whether it is n minus 1 or not. And we have to also think that the index should not be 0, because 0 is a dummy, because 0 is not a person at all in the prison. So if index is not 0 and in degree is equal to n minus 1, so index is 0, so not will return. So again increment, index is not 0, so this will check in degree n minus 1, no. Then again increment, index is not 0, in degree, no. Then increment, index not 0, yes, in degree, and in degree is pointing to 2, so which is equal to n value is 3, n value is 3, it is passed. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and yes, it is equal to in degree, that is 2. So the condition satisfies, so return index. So index is 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, so answer will be 3. So coming out of the code part, we have just initialized one element, one trust array, for iterate and increase the trust of b, because a trust b and b trust a. Sorry, a trust b means increase the value of b, because b is trusted by a, and if a is trusting, then obviously he is not going to be the judge, so it decrement the a. Iterate all the loop, and after that we have to check whether if index is not 0 and in degree is should be equals to n minus 1. If it is condition satisfied, then we have to return the index. So submit the code. Yes, it is accepted. So for raw code of Java, Python and C++, it will be available at my GitHub profile. I will provide the link in the description. Go to GitHub, let code challenge. Here it is, May 10. So all the test is passed. Here it is. So again I am repeating, the concept is very same. We have to iterate, and if somebody is trusted, then increase the trust value by 1, and if somebody is trusting anyone, then decrease the value of 1. And one who is leader must have the trust n minus 1, because apart from him, if each and everybody will trust him, and since he is not trusting anybody, so n minus 1 trust should be with the judge. So after one iteration we have to check whether it is uh, for whom there is n minus 1 have a trust value having n minus 1 in the new array. So here is the Java Python solution, same. Here is C++ using vector. Here is Java using thrust count, same. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and share as much video because and give a thumbs up like because it give motivation to make a new videos every time. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you are doing well.